dururu. To sani bech stima be bodhi malo. Bech mafuta poko dhi piny. Bech mogo wan wamor wan joka nyanam. Wanyalo ga dhi dala mwayud goro mek oduma mwajiuti. To pari ng'at ma onge dala. Dala ne en shamba la mawe miluongo ni Nairobi. Msache kaka noketne 5,000, 10,000 kaka watchman. 10,000 itimoga ang'o Sharon. So the government has to think how far. A government that continues taxing its people is not a sensitive government. And it's a government that is economically going down. And 87%, there's massive economic downtrodden. We are actually going down. Instead of going strong, wadhi piny. Koro wapenjre yawa. Kama wadhi piny, nyoro nyanti gi nyathi moro. Obiro nena, moko nan mama. Okimiya. Okingisa kaka nyalo dhi America, kata dhi Australia. Akon why? Young people like him, he says he's a preacher of hope. I hope he can start preaching hope because young people are stressed right now. Gidwa wuok e piny ni. Nyithindwa oyie mondo gidhi bed farmers.
Australia.
Nyithindwa sani thagore, especially the young people. They want to get out of their country. Can you imagine you are in your own country, you want to get out of it? Mano ngisi nango. Ningima oknyalre hali sio hali Kenya
billion kaka jalne roma bende Salome wacho ni